My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are all well. We are doing FSC Part 1 Mathematics, Inter Part 1, and we are doing chapter number 9, Fundamentals of Trigonometry, the basics of trigonometry. So today we are going to do exercise 9.3, and before that I will just want to teach you something. Right, suppose this. Okay, I want to make a table here. Just learn this table, and this table is very, very easy to learn. Okay, very, very easy to learn. Okay, just write. Where is that? Okay, very easy to learn. Okay, just write 0 here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Divided by 4. I have taught this many times in my previous videos of class 9 and 10. Take the square of it, square root of it. Okay, so just see what happens. Right, this will become 0. This will become 1 over 2 because 4 square root is 2. This will become 1 over 2 root. This will become root 3 over 2. And this will become 1. Right, just I'll tell you that it's very easy to make. Just write 0 degrees here, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90. This is very, very easy to prepare it. 90 degrees. And even you can make it on the rough side of your answer sheet as well. You can make it so no examiner will cut your paper or cancel or something like that. So this is sine. So now sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 over 2, sine 45 is 1 over 2 root, sine 60 equals to root 3 over 2, and sine 90 is 1. Some of the new calculators are also giving these answers. When you use the calculator, you put sine 60 to give you root 3 over 2. But most of the time in the question, it says that don't use the calculator to find the answers for these. Okay, now just reverse them. Just write 1 here, root 3 over 2 here. It will be same, 1 over 2 root 1 over 2 here, and 0 here. This is cosine. So cosine 0 is 1, just the reverse. Cosine 30 is root 3 over 2. Cosine 45 is 1 over 2 root. Cosine 60 equals to 1 over 2, and cosine 90 equals to 0. Now divide, because we know from the previous lectures that sine theta over cosine theta equals to tangent theta. We just divide these two. So tangent equals to, divide 0 over 1 is 0. When you divide these two will be cut. So 1 over 3 root is the answer. These two are same, so 1. Again 2 got cancelled. We have root 3, and we cannot divide 0 by any number. So this will be infinity. It will never touch the x-axis or y-axis, whatever is it. So these are the tables, or this is the table you have to draw before doing exercise 9.3. So tangent 0 is 0, tangent 30 is root 1 over 3 root, tangent 45 is 1, tangent 60 is root 3, and tangent 90 is infinity. Okay, so I have taught you in my 10th class lecture the special triangles. Okay, so you can learn these very things from the special triangles as well. So the first question is Today's first question is, show that 2 sine 45. So these are the angles in degrees, okay? Plus 1 over 2 cosecant 45. These are the degrees, okay? Degrees equals to 3 over root 2, 3 by root 2. Just take the left hand side, okay? So using these values from the table, we have 2 times sine 45 is, rather we just put the value. Sine 45 is 1 over 2 root plus 1 over 2 cosine 2 root is cosine 45 is 1 over sine 45, so equals to 2 root. Right, so it may be equals to 2 over 2 root, and cut these, okay? So equals to 1 over 2 root. So the denominator is same, so we'll just add the numerators. So it gives us the answer 3 over 2 root, which is equals to our right hand side. So the question is verify, so we write here verified. And if the question is prove that, so we'll write proved. The next question is verify, the question number 2. Okay, I will write in other ink. Right. Cosine 2 theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta, sine square theta for theta equals to 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Right, you must not forget to write the degree sign here. Right, so we'll do step by step. First of all, we'll do with theta is equal to, for theta equals to 30 degrees. Okay, we just go straight away. All right, the question is cosine 2 theta. So means cosine 2 times 30 degrees equals to 1 minus sine 30 degrees square. So it will be cosine 60 minus equals to 1 minus sine square 30 degrees. Right, cosine 60 equals to 1 over 2. 1 over 2, which is equals to is 2 sine square theta rather. Okay, 2. Right. Equals to 1 minus 2 times 1 over 2 square. 1 over 4, okay. So 1 over 2 equals to 1 minus 2, 1 over 4 equals to, implies 1 over 2 equals to 1 minus 1 over 2, implies 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 2. So it is also verified. Okay, so the result is verified. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So this is verified. Okay. Number 3 now comes to number 3 question. So we have to prove, verify that sine square pi by 6. This is very important question, and this question was asked in a board exam as a long question as well. Sine square pi by 6, sine square pi by 4. These are the ratios, okay? Pi by 4 and sine square pi by 3. and sine square pi by 2 equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, these are the ratios. One more thing I want to write here. This is 0. This is pi by 6. This is pi by 4. This is pi by 3. And this is pi by 2. Okay, we'll put the values. Okay, so taking left hand side first. So sine square pi by 6 is pi by 6 is 1 over 2. So it is 1 by 2 here is 2. Pi by 4 is 1 by 2 root. Okay, this is the ratio sign. Okay, 1 over 2 root square. And sine pi by 3 is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2 square. Okay. And the last but not the least is 1. Okay. So now this is 1 over 4. This is 1 over 2. This is root 3 over, sorry, root is got cancelled, 3 over 4. And this is 1. Okay, we may write it square. So 1 square is 1. Right. So multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. So what we have, we multiply each and every number by 4. So it would be 4 times 1 over 4, 4 times 1 over 2. And these are the ratios. 4 times 3 over 4 and 4 times 1. So 4 got cancelled here, 4 got cancelled here. This is 2. So it would be 1, it would be 2, it would be 3, and it would be 4, which is equals to right hand side. And the question is verified. Side, so it is verified. Right. I hope that you understand it well. And if anything which is not clear, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. Okay. Verify that question number 4. Verify that sine 2 theta equals to 2 sine theta cosine theta. Theta cosine theta. Okay, so for theta is equal to 30 degrees and 45 degrees. We miss one here, no problem. Okay, we'll do here. So now taking left hand side first. Okay, so sine 2 theta equals to sine 2 times 30 equals to sine 60 and equal sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Let's say number 1, okay. Or we may write it equals to sine 2 theta, which is our left hand side, okay. Right, just take left hand side, right hand side. We have 2 times sine theta cosine theta. Right, so which is equals to 2 times sine 30 cosine 30. So which is equals to 2 times 1 over 2 times root 3 over 2. 2 got cancelled with 2. We have root 3 over 2. So number 2, from 1 to left hand side equals to right hand side. From 1 and 2, we have left hand side equals to right hand side. So it is verified. So this was the first part. So let's go for part 2. So for theta is equal to 30 degree, 45. So for theta is equal to 45 degrees. It was for theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so left hand side is sine 45 equals to sine 90, which is equals to 1, right? So sine 90 is equal to 1. So sine 2 theta equals to 1, right? Okay, go for right hand side now. So right hand side is sine, 2 sine 2 sine theta cosine theta, so equals to 2 times sine 45 cosine 45, which is equals to 2 times 1 over 2 root 1 over 2. So equals to 2 times 1 over 2 root square equals to 1 over 2. 2 times 1 over 2 got cancelled, which is equals to 1, which is equals to right hand side as well. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So statement is verified. Equation is verified. Okay, it's verified. This concludes today's lesson, and I hope that you understand it well. If there are some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and tell the others to subscribe it as well. Share it on your WhatsApp and other media statuses. Tell the others, like and comment on the video as well. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for liking, commenting. Thank you very much for sharing. Thank you very much. Allah aapka हामी nasir ho.